Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you guys what the Realtek HD audio driver is and if you need it on your computer. Perhaps you've been looking at your driver full listing in Device Manager and you're just curious what it is. In today's tutorial, we're going to briefly go over it. So basically, Realtek is a semiconductor company based out of Taiwan that makes a lot of audio and network chips. And there is something called Realtek, which is the audio codec that powers it. So this driver acts as a sort of bridge between the operating system and the audio hardware, which will enable the proper functioning of sound output and input devices. So it supports a variety of audio formats and configurations and provides users with an enhanced audio experience whether they are playing games, watching movies, or listening to music. So one aspect of the Realtek HD audio driver, I know it may not be obvious, but it does have the ability to support high definition audio, which does include multi-channel sound formats, which means that in other terms you can enjoy surround sound through multiple speakers. And as people who like immersive experience, you'll definitely get more of that with such a driver. You also have a variety of customization settings which you can explore on your own. But this is definitely a driver you want on your computer. It certainly serves a purpose. And do you need it? The answer is yes. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.